Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan. We're here in Agra at the Taj Mahal. We're checking out the iPhone 12 mini. I think this is going to be the coolest phone from the Apple lineup this year, and I'm really excited to check this phone out. We have some samples for you, some videos, and we'll show you all the specifications, all the features. So let's quickly get started. The iPhone 12 mini starts at 69,900, but funnily enough it starts with 64GB of storage, which I think is very less for the price that the phone is available at. With respect to design and build quality, it is identical to the iPhone 12. And our review for the iPhone 12 is already out, so you can click on the pop-up banner on the top right or the link in the description below if you guys want to go check that out. Now, the 12 mini is one of the most compact phones from Apple this year. The iPhone SE is already a small phone, but the iPhone 12 mini stands out. That's because of the 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display on this device with a 2340 by 1080 pixel resolution, but with this size and form factor, you get 476 pixels per inch. Now, this is the same OLED display that you see on the iPhone 12 and even the iPhone 12 Pro. This one has 625 nits of maximum brightness in typical scenarios, but 1200 nits if you are watching HDR content. The phone is also IP68 rated and does have the ceramic shield glass on the front, which makes the display really tough, up to 4 times tougher. And the IP68 coating makes the phone waterproof up to 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. Running everything is the A14 Bionic Chip. This is Apple's latest generation chip, and it is based on the 5nm process. So one of the most powerful chips is available in one of the most compact form factors of a smartphone in the market today. Now, with the iPhone 12 mini, you continue to get MagSafe capabilities. So whether you're charging your phone on the MagSafe charger, using the wallet accessory, or even putting on covers, you will get all the MagSafe capabilities on this device as well. Cameras on the back include a 12 megapixel main camera, which has an f1.6 aperture, and an ultra wide, which has an f2.4 aperture. The phone can capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, but if you want HDR capable video, you'll only get it up to 30 frames per second. All cameras are capable of this video recording capability, and also slow motion videos are available at up to 240 frames per second at 1080p. Now, the iPhone 12 mini has a 2227 mAh battery, which is comparatively small when compared to several other devices. And Apple says that this phone can charge up to 20 watts in terms of fast charging, and also can fast wirelessly charge with up to 12 watts as opposed to the 15 watts that you get on the other devices. Now, I've been asking for a compact phone with a full display from Apple for a while now, and Apple has finally delivered, and this is one of the most exciting phones for me to test out this year. So we'll be doing a full in-depth review of the iPhone 12 mini. So if you guys have any particular questions or queries, you can drop those in the comment section below. The most interesting thing about this phone is the overall form factor. Of course, the phone weighs in only at 133 grams, and it's only 7.4 mm thick. This is one of the most compact phones and easily usable with one hand, as most smartphones were intended to be. So that was our first look at the iPhone 12 mini. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.